Hi guys! So we've got a different type of video today. We want to do 5 of our favourite products, and we're going to hopefully do this every month. And we thought it would be nice if we did it front facing, so you can actually put a name to the face, so to speak. So I'm a brand ambassador for Halo, and I am Sarah Astles. So yeah, it's a bit different, but we'll give it a go. So 5 products that we absolutely love and can't live without. I mean, obviously it goes without saying that the whole of the Halo and Pure Nails range, you know, we absolutely love. That's why we're ambassadors. But this month, our top 5 we're going to give to you. So my first one of the top 5 is the Pure Nails Nail It Brush On Glue, which looks like this. Now, I absolutely love this stuff. I can't live without it. I am a tip girl through and through. Always do my extensions with tips. Yes, I can sculpt. It's not my strong point because I love tips. So obviously without this glue in my life, I wouldn't be able to do nails, and it just sticks anything. It's amazing. It's super quick as well. So a little bit in the well or the end of the tip, stick it on, and literally within a few seconds it's really not going to go anywhere. I have used it for gems in the past, and again it's amazing. It just sticks anything. But there are lots of options, you know, when it comes to stuff like gems and stuff. The Poly Build's really good for that, and also the Easy Build's really good for holding your gems in. But if you don't have any of those, which you should, the Nail It glue is number 1 on my list of fabulous products. My second product is probably something that I know all the ambassadors absolutely love. It's just an amazing product, and it is now my new absolute fave system, and it is Poly Build. I've always been an acrylic girl. I'm trained in acrylic and hard gel, and now Poly Build. It's just a game changer. It really is. It's easy to apply. It's so much quicker than doing a full set of acrylics or a full set using your Easy Build. It's easy to shape because it's really workable, and it doesn't move or set until you actually set it yourself in the lamp. So game changer. If you want to help reduce your times, get yourself some of this. And I've picked the nude. That's probably my favourite colour in the collection. It's just a really pretty, like, pale pinky colour. Don't know if you can see that. And it just looks fabulous with the whites to do an ombre. So second product, Poly Build Nude. My third product kind of goes in line with the Poly Build, and it is the Liquid Control. Oh my gosh, my clients absolutely love this stuff. It smells amazing. It smells like watermelon. All my clients comment on how lovely it is. Yeah, it's just, it's like you could drink it, but obviously don't drink it. It's just lovely. It's really nice, and it's nice to have something that's not a chemical smell, because obviously we get that enough with acrylic. So again, the Poly Build is a great system if you work in maybe a hairdresser's in the front, where obviously you wouldn't want the smell of acrylic filling the room, or you just have a very small room of your own, and you don't want to be getting headaches all day by using a strong acrylic. So that's another reason why I would probably suggest trying the Poly Build system, because it is odorless apart from your slip solution, which smells like watermelons and is just gorgeous. So second favourite product, and it just helps so much obviously with using the Poly Build, because that's what it's for. So a nice smelling way of doing nails. Who wouldn't want that? My fourth product is probably another one of like a favourite product basically all round, and that is the rubber base coat. Ta-da! And needs a little halo around it. This stuff is just ingenious, amazing, can't live without it, love of my life, use it on everyone and everything. You don't need to. Our base coat is also fabulous. I just like the extra adhesion, and obviously this is something that you do need to use with the Polybuild system as well. This is your base for the Polybuild system, so definitely my favourite base coat of our ranges. And yeah, it lasts so well. Obviously clients with maybe weaker nails or some sort of like flaking or something, I would always go to the rubber base coat, and it's worked wonders with the clients that are a bit more heavy-handed or prone to chipping, which to be fair, I don't have that many of them, and it kind of gives them an extra reassurance that they feel like you're using the best product for them. So a great other base to have. Now my fifth and final, and probably the best one so far, is the e-file. Hello, beautiful e-file. Where have you been all my life? I love you. It's just so sleek. You've got your little clip to pop on your trousers if you want to be tootling around the salon with it. Not that you necessarily would, but it's that option. It's cordless in the fact that it's not having to be plugged in, and the wire is just so long and stretchy that you've got loads of room to work with. If it's maybe in a drawer or at the back of your desk, you've got lots of flexibility in your wire. Again, it's nice and thin, it's really lightweight, it's well balanced. It comes with a smooth bit already, so I think that's a really nice touch. And you've also got your little holder to just pop him in when he's clipped on, and away you go. Again, it's so quiet as well. I mean, I've searched for a reasonably priced e-file that isn't like really loud or heavy or just like lots of vibrations. This just doesn't have that. I mean, you turn him on and I'm on 12. Obviously it looks like 51, but even at his full whack, which obviously you would never use him at, that's not a lot of noise. That's really quiet. You just turn him back down, and I'd probably have it around that. You can't really hear it. So obviously if you're having a conversation with someone and you're, filing with your e-file, it's great. You can still talk to them, you can still hear them, you can hear everything that's going on. You're not having to sort of shout over the noise. It is literally a life changer, and game changer, maybe not life changer. But yeah, it's just a lovely, sleek product, a really good price, and just, yeah, something that I really would recommend that you get. It's just nice to have, again, with possibly having all our clients reduced for when we go back to work, having something that will finish your clients to a better standard, and obviously something that can help you do a client quicker, then that is the perfect tool, and it gives you more space for cleaning in between. So there you have it. Those are my 5 favourite products for this month. Like I say, if I could do the whole range I could, because I do love everything, but these are definitely my ones that I can't live without right now and that I love dearly, and I hope that's helped you slightly. and hope I haven't sort of gone on for too long. And again, obviously you put the face to the name, and anything that you want to ask in the group or anything, please do, and obviously one of us will get back to you and help out as much as you can. So hopefully see you next month for another video, and thanks for watching. Bye.